Okay, only three things we need to fix a broken light bulb. One, of course, is safety glasses. Number two, a microfiber towel. I like to use an old dirty one. It just seems like they work a little bit better. And of course, a hammer. And I like to use the big one because it just takes less force when you're applying it. Gather up all the fragments. Place them here in the rag. What you're going to do is wrap this up, and just a couple of gentle taps with the hammer. And there we go. A couple of more taps. And look at that, guys, as good as new. So don't throw away those broken light bulbs. Repair them with a microfiber towel and a hammer.